Here at Stewarton Memorials, we know how important it is to create a lasting tribute for your loved one. As Lanarkshire's largest memorial display, we have been helping families since 1999, offering expert craftsmanship with a personal touch. We're a family-run business based in Wishaw, and we're taking great pride in what we do. From bespoke headstones to beautifully handcrafted plaques, every memorial is made with care and attention. Our talented on-site artists can bring any design to life, so whatever you have in mind, we'll make it happen. With over 200 memorials on display in our show yard, you can see our work up close. We are opened Monday to Saturday to help you through the process with understanding and expertise.